Today on Action RC, I bring to you Jim Chapman. Jim, what do we have going on here?
Okay, this is a Freewing F-104. It's the 70mm version. It's running on a 5S, about a 5,000 milliamp battery pack, and flying Jetty radio with it. And it flies great. It's got the stabilization system in it from Jetty, which is the assist receiver, and it works great. Yeah, it flies really well, really smooth. So
is the assist Jetty's gyro?
Yeah, it's Jetty's gyro.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, it's basically Jetty's gyro, and I fly it with all of my aircraft, except for the the P-47. I do not. I've got Spectrum on that, so Spectrum works good too. So,
how long have you been? Have you had this one?
I've had this one for about 5 years. Bought it brand new. Probably flew it a handful of times 5 years ago. Put it up in the shelf, and it collected dust for like the last 4.5 years. Finally pulled it back out and started flying it again, and I love it.
Yeah, it looks great in the air.
Yeah, it does.
It's an eye catcher, and
it really is.
Yeah, it's a nice little plane.
Yeah.
And tell me about a flying characteristic about this particular plane that you enjoy.
Because it flies like it's on rails, it's really weird. Because an F-104 is usually very twitchy. Bigger 104s, they fly really smooth. But when I bought this one right here, I had to put the gyro system on board because it was a wobbly goblin flying through the air. It was just almost uncontrollable. So I figured, okay, I better put a Jetty gyro in it. So I did, and then that just nulled everything out perfectly. So it flies really good.
And this particular one has flaps.
Got flaps. Yeah, it's got all 5 or 6 channels. So you got your aileron, elevator, rudder, flaps, gear. Yeah, the whole nine yards. So.
Well, nice flying.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for being on Action RC.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
And here comes the video.
Okay.
Have flaps.
Okay, take off.